got him, no problem. Well, that couldn't have worked out any better than it did. Back out in the boat. It's in the evening. I came up here 4 days ago for some fishing, but the temperatures have been 90 degrees all day long, hotter than blazes. I came out yesterday and we had 2-foot waves, so I really couldn't fish for Lakers. But I did manage to catch a couple of small brook trout, 12 inches and 10 inches. But today I didn't get in the boat until 4 p.m. It's 5 p.m. now, just because it was so hot. I just got him behind the boat. He's 28 inches, 8 pounds. In my world, that's a pretty good fish. I like my lake trout fishing. But I got a problem now. You're only allowed one of these. And I don't like to catch more off the bottom and drag them up, because I think when you throw them back, they die anyways. So I usually catch one, call it good. I'm dragging a line now for some salmon. This line's down 20 feet, but I don't expect much. But we'll see. I got a 5-mile ride back to the pickup truck. So we'll see. Maybe we can top off the limit with a couple more salmon. But there he is. Hope you can see him. Yeah, that's what I like to fish for. Not a boat out here. Not a boat. And there won't be. Too many people go home early now. They don't fish late in the day anymore. Seems it anyways. But I'm just going to have a leisurely ride back to the boat landing. And I got a refrigerator today at the cabin, finally. My solar system is up and running, and it's large enough now to, it looks like, going to support that refrigerator. It's been plugged in now for 2 days. I've got the freezer part of it freezing up my bait, so that's working out really well. Tomorrow I'll get him packaged up in the vacuum seal bags, get him in that refrigerator to transport home, and he'll make it into the freezer, and I'll have some nice steaks. If it was a little bit less windy out here, I would go down and fish on bottom for some white perch right here. This is a really good white perch hole. As you can see, it's quite a boat ride. I'll leave you out for a few minutes. Maybe we'll hook a salmon. I just checked my cell phone. I got a comment from Paul. Paul, that's a fish I was just telling you about. Might need to take you down. Sometimes that camera likes to fall over, and when it gets a little bit windy, I just got to get turned around into the wind. Then I'll be working my way back to the cabin. So I'm kind of glad I'm out here. I've been, I phoned home yesterday and I guess all hell's breaking loose. The other side of the country. This self-quarantining's not working out the way they had it planned. I don't know what they expect. You force a bunch of people indoors, think they're not gonna get moody. You can't even lock a dog up for a month without it starting to act weird. I'm not a politician, but it doesn't take a scientist to figure that one out. Work my way down here without the wind. I think I'm gonna have to put you away. I don't want that camera to fall over. Well, I'm a happy camper now. I love it when I go home with one of those guys. And for you Canadian friends, that was an American fish. I just crossed the line. I've been going back and forth all day keeping track. Oh, goodness. I decided to say out fishing with a 6-inch smelt. Biggest smelt I could get my hands on. And the smelt is also 2 years old. Been in the freezer for 2 years. I was pouring through the freezer before I came up here and come across that old package of smelts. They're wrapped in paper towel and then wrapped in tin foil. And that smelt was, it wasn't as good as the day I brought it up, but obviously it was good enough. Day's wrapping up. How's that for a view behind us? It's 6:30. I've still got 4 miles to go to get back to the boat landing. With an 8-horse motor, I'll be lucky to make it by dark. I'm going to fold up the camera here and pick the pace up a little bit, but you know, the 8-horse on a 16-foot boat, you don't go anywhere in a hurry. I'm sitting here on Sunday, I'm getting ready to clean a gun. This is a bolt action 12 gauge with a 28-inch barrel, full choke. So this is a real meat eating gun. This thing will get you just about anything. All you got to do is shoot him in the head. Shoot the head and the body's dead. So that's good. So I will leave you some links at the end of this video. Click on one of those links. It's more about the lifestyle here at the cabin. And I will also leave you some cards up at the beginning of this thing. I mean, I'll leave some cards up in the right-hand corner of more videos about the lifestyle that I have here at this rustic log cabin in northern Maine. So I will see you in the next one. Got him, no problem.